Are you ready to make the Earth rumble? Then get ready for Earth Mover XL.
Ooh.
With super slick controls and a supercharged battery, Earth Mover XL can crank out 4 days of non-stop stunts. Like wheelies, backflips, and scoop stands. The double rubber body bumpers mean Earth Mover XL never crashes. The only way to stop it is to turn it off.
Oh.
It's the ultimate in remote-controlled stunt digging action. Earth Mover XL.
That looks fantastic. Drive Digger.
Okay, Sammy. Let's see now.
Ooh, it's a zippy little digger.
Vroom, vroom.
Now we just turn it like so. Oh, nope. Maybe it's the other way. Actually, I think I had it right the first time.
It's not as easy as it looks.
Careful, Dada.
Just a second. Almost got it. And ouch!
It has the remote control.
Oh dear, not anymore, Maya.
What's it doing?
I think it's stuck on top speed.
Watch out, doggy go.
Oh, this thing's really getting out of hand.
Hang on, I'll switch it off.
That's easier said than done.
I'll stop it. Oh,
This earth mover's really moving, and it's headed for the kitchen.
come back.
Maybe we can trap it.
How?
Aha!
Good throw, Mama Go. Or maybe not.
We're going to need a bigger towel.
We can stop it in the hole.
Haha, cornered. Now's your chance.
It can climb stairs?
That wasn't in the television advert.
Stop that. Bad Earth Mover.
Get down from there.
This is completely out of bounds.
That sounded expensive.
Well, maybe we can just wait for the battery to run out?
That takes 4 days. The only way to stop it is to turn it off.
We'll have to slow it down first.
What are we gonna do? Digger!
Oh, how are they ever going to stop it? Looks like Sammy has an idea. What's he got in mind? Oh, look out, Digger!
Digger, fly!
Oh, sounds like the XL has made a splash in the bathroom.
That's one way to turn it off.
Mya Go every day. Mya Go, laugh and play. Mya Go, what do we say?